ready for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me.
When you walk in, you have an entryway. We're gonna change all this floor. We actually just had the guy come out and measure today for the floors. So you have a little bathroom here. Hi guys. You have a toilet. We're getting all new toilets. The owners of the house actually have to replace all the toilets because they're not low flow. So we get a $300 credit for every single toilet, and there's 3 of them. So we're gonna replace the toilets, and we're gonna tear out this vanity. We already have a new vanity for that, because this is just weird, look. Ooh, I don't know, I don't get it. And then if you turn around, we have the laundry area. So Paul's planning to put a wall somewhere around here, probably here, and then turn this whole space into a laundry room and turn this into a bathroom, or keep it a bathroom but move it around. And then we would put another door right here to get into the laundry room. And then this is just the water heater. And then the kitchen is one of the reasons we love the house. So Paul's gonna tear all of this out and redo the entire kitchen, but it's really, really big. So that's one reason we loved it. It's a huge, giant kitchen. Again, floors are gonna be the same all the way through the downstairs. We're gonna do hard floors down here and carpet upstairs. So this is kind of like the dining area. Paul has all of his tools right here, because I'll show you in a minute, he's upstairs redoing the side of the shower. And here's the fireplace, and Paul just wants to tear all of the stone off and put a very simple fireplace and a mantle there. So that's what we'll do. I'll show you guys the outside in a minute, but this is the room. We're gonna pull obviously all the carpet, like I said, and just put all new hard floors downstairs. And then upstairs, you can see Paul's been here with some sheetrock. But upstairs, this is all gonna be recarpeted. I'm gonna do, I think, a gray carpet. So this is all gonna be recarpeted. And then there's 2 bedrooms back here. And they're not too bad of a size. And then if you walk over here, we have another bedroom. And you know, we have my father-in-law who lives with us, so we need the 3 bedrooms. And then this is just like a funny kind of built-in cabinet. I'll probably put art supplies and games and stuff like that in here. And then there's this bathroom. And this will be my father-in-law and Mason's bathroom. Sorry if you can hear the power tools, Paul's working. But we have another tub, which is nice. And then all of this flooring, because of the damage right there, all of this flooring is gonna be pulled up this week, and we're just putting really cheap stick down tiles on there until we decide what we really wanna put on here for the long term. So then here's another very strange vanity. I don't know why they do this, it doesn't make sense. Again, we'll get a new toilet. And then this is our master bedroom.
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about ya. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
I just wanted to pop in here real quick and answer a couple questions that I know that I'm going to get from you guys. And one of those is, why are you guys doing home remodels when you don't own the home yet? So at this time when I was filming, we did not own the home. We were still in contingency. And the reason is that we have a VA loan. I did get into detail with this in a different video, but basically when you have a VA loan, they want to make sure that the house that you buy is in really good condition. So our realtor had us put in a clause when we put our offer in that basically said that the homeowner would pay for a certain amount of home repairs to be done so that it could get up to the inspector's liking or his code. So that's basically what you're seeing us do here. And I just wanted to let you guys know that before you guys ask me that in the comments. So everything you're seeing is going to be remodeled again in the future. This is just a temporary fix.
Okay, I have primed the inside of the cabinets. Sorry if you guys can hear that. I'm priming them because there was some residual water damage from the previous owners, and Paul is going to tear this whole thing out and fix it and actually just put a brand new one in. And the water damage isn't happening anymore, but there was some old water stains in here. So before we have the inspector come, I just decided to go and paint them all white on the inside with primer. You can see I'm like covered in primer, but I ended up doing that, and I'm gonna do that to the rest of the bathroom cabinets and the kitchen cabinet as well. And there's Paul coming up. Is that sheetrock?
No.
What is that?
Hardboard.
Hardboard. I don't know what any of this is. He does.
We'll hold that so it doesn't move.
Yes. All right, I just got back from getting coffee. I had to go get coffee, but really I had to pick up this for Paul so he can seal up the wall. And if you can hear him, I'm going to show you his progress in a minute. So let's go bring all of this and go look at the wall.
This wall had a lot of water damage, and so the inspector basically told us that we had to either replace the entire shower or we had to replace that wall. So we ended up just replacing the wall and putting some temporary tiles up, but I ended up really liking these tiles. So if we take a long time to remodel this bathroom, which it's probably going to be the last on the list, then I'm totally fine with it because I love the way that it turned out. This footage has been so fun for me to watch because I did tape it 2 weeks ago, like I said earlier, and the house looks nothing like this now. The floors are completely gone. There's no carpet. It's down to subfloor. We've sanded and primed the subfloors. We've also taken off the popcorn ceilings and sanded the popcorn ceilings, or what used to be that, and everything is different. Paint is going in today. The floors are going in this week, and I just can't wait for you guys to see it. You can see them pulling out the deck from back here. That tree in the corner is not there anymore, and everything just looks so different. So I'm hoping on having the next video out on Thursday of this week, and I should be having videos out every Tuesday and Thursday, but bear with me guys because this has been quite a project, and my house right now is covered in boxes, and you're going to see a little bit of that in the next video as well. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.